Okay, got this Killer Instinct in today, and as always with these fucking things, it didn't boot, and he said it's got a control fault. Well, I can see the control fault. It's been plugged in backwards. There's blown up parts there. That's fine, but the fact that it's not booting's an arse, because it come here with an easy fix, and now it's bullshit. So let me just show you why it's bullshit. Okay. So I'm scoping these RAMs. Look at these chips, man. That one's okay. But not good at all. This one here, you see that? Now that's called tin whiskers. If you've ever heard of tin whiskers, basically the tin grows whiskers, and when those whiskers short out, it's boom. And look at that, it's covered in the fucking things. And Konami's the same. So when you just see that, you pretty much know. I mean, you can clean it off and hope for the best, but I mean, look at them solder joints as well. All on the end's a dry joint. Terrible. So basically, it's a full fucking repair job. It's never simple.